how to set the action button to turn on or turn off a specific focus on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on the Action button. Next, swipe across until you can find Focus and select that. Now tap on the drop-down selection, and from here, select a specific mode that you would like to use. So for example, I will choose gaming. So once you have set it to a gaming focus, you can press and hold on the action button to turn on gaming. So press and hold. This will allow you to quickly turn on gaming focus, or you can just press and hold on it to quickly switch it off. So you can press and hold on the action button to toggle the gaming focus on or off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.